I'm Brittany, a home expert from Best Buy. Today, I'm going to talk about Eero built-in and explain how it can be used to extend your Wi-Fi. You might have a spot or two in your home that doesn't get a strong signal. Well, with Eero built-in on the Amazon Echo 4th Gen or Echo Dot 5th Gen, you might be able to solve that. Here's what I'll be using today: the Eero 6 Plus, the Eero Pro 6E, the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen, and the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen with clock. All right, let's get started. Eero has several mesh Wi-Fi products that work together to blanket your home with fast, reliable Wi-Fi. The setup is easy, and the system can be managed directly from your Eero app on your phone. Eero built-in brings great networking technology to compatible Echo devices and is available to use with all Eero systems, except for the Eero Home Wi-Fi system 1st generation. But to make it happen, you'll need a 4th Gen Echo or a 5th Gen Amazon Echo Dot or Echo Dot with clock. Eero built-in is also coming soon to the 4th Gen Echo Dot and is available in the United States and Canada. Eero built-in enabled Echo devices use Eero's True Mesh technology and extend the wireless network up to 1,000 square feet. They'll also support speeds of up to 100 megabits per second. So even though the range and speed aren't going to be the same level as a dedicated Eero node, they'll be great for that area in your home in need of a Wi-Fi boost. And of course, Eero makes the setup simple. First, set up your Echo device by downloading and following the steps in the Alexa app. Then, in the Eero app, simply link your Amazon account that was used for your Echo device and follow the steps to get everything up and running. You can then manage the Eero built-in function for each compatible Echo device. You won't see Eero built-in indicators on the device, but you can check the status through the Eero app. Now, one quick call-out. Having too many devices transmitting Wi-Fi signals can crowd the network, making your speeds and devices slower. So, more isn't necessarily better. My advice is to start small and add more as needed, especially as you uncover spots in your home in need of a Wi-Fi boost. As you can see, Eero built-in can be a great way to extend your Eero wireless network to the places you need. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you're ready to get started, visit a blue shirt in one of our stores or check out the options on bestbuy.com. Or use the link below to set up time with a Best Buy home expert like me. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.